Hey guys, my mom just got my dad a new lawnmower as a present, and I think he's playing out there with a dog. So, I'm gonna go tell him and you guys see his reaction. She got you a new present. She got you a present.
Really?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's in the garage.
She got me a new lawnmower?
Yep.
Oh God. Let me turn the light on here. Check this puppy out.
My dad loves it.
Really? Now I can mow the lawn in style. Pretty nice. But there's just one thing I'm not crazy about.
What? Beautiful, Dad. What's wrong with it?
I don't like the color.
What do you mean? It's beautiful.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like the color though.
What,
I'll tell you what, let's do something with it and like show Mom later.
Oh, that would be awesome.
So this is what we're looking at before we start water sanding it quick. All right, we're gonna be painting this plastic shroud the same color, just to make the hood look larger. I think it'll be a good touch. The front we're gonna keep black, the front grille area. I was thinking of painting that too, but I think it looks good with the black front end on it. So we're gonna keep it black. Since it's brand new, we don't even have to plasti dip it or anything, right? So for what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna make sure we sand it. I have that 3M scuff pad that we're gonna be using to scuff this, and then we're gonna add some adhesion promoter on top of it. After we do that, we're gonna spray our primer. Okay, this is just a basic 1K primer that we're gonna put on it, lightly scuff it, and then we're gonna be putting our base coat on top of that, followed by some metallic silver flake, and we're gonna be putting our candy on top of that. All right, so it's Tony here. Hope you're liking the series. We're gonna be doing probably some sort of graphic thing in the sides over here, something along the front, something to make it look cool with the candy that we do. All right, so enjoy, keep watching the videos, and I'll see you in a bit.